Okay, guys, we're over here with the Cadillacs. And this is the new Escalade IQ. So if this is what I'm thinking, then this is the... I don't think this is the electric, but if it is, that door open up, they got to hit the button for the door to open up. So this thing is nice. I believe... Yeah, look at the size of this thing. With the glass top, they're trying to close that door. But we're going to do another video on this. Yeah, this is the electric one, guys. This is the all-electric. The IQ. Yeah. This thing is nice. We're going to keep on with this one. Here we go. Escalade IQ, first ever all-electric. 7-seater luxury electric SUV. But look at the price. $127,000 for this here vehicle. And it's a big vehicle, Cadillac, so if you're into that Cadillac thing, Cadillac wing, then that big Cadillac V, then this is the one for you. I wish I could get in there, but there's so many people around. All right, guys, we get the Cadillac Lyric right here, the 600E. Now, this is the one that most people didn't take notice of until they got to really see it, and for all the stuff that was offered for it, you know, with the rims. This is the luxury version, and then this is, I think this is the sport. No, this is the luxury electric. And when you look in there, yeah, you have everything you could want and need with this one. You know, it's a nice size vehicle, mid-size, but you know, with the Lyric, people have really been buying these things, and they've been using them for like limousine and Uber, of all things. Yeah, limousine and Uber. It's got that really nice front end. You see the wing, you know. This thing is real nice. The Lyric is really popular now. It's sitting next to it is the Vistic, the new Vistic. So we're gonna do that in a minute. But this thing has really blossomed with the electric SUVs, you know. And I can't say that I blame Cadillac. They really got down with this one, you know. And it's fast. I forget how many horsepower this thing has, but it has more than enough room for a mid-sized vehicle. Now you're coming to the 2026 Vistic. It's first ever all-electric 2026 Vistic. It sits up higher than the Lyric. It's taller than the Lyric, and it's not as long. I mean, it's just as long as the Lyric. But you do get that more of a bolster V going over, you know, compared to that wing over there with the Lyric. This Vistic. Oh, I would like to get a chance to sit in there. The lady got the baby in there. I'm not going to bother them. You know, but she got the baby in the driver's seat, show you how much room is in this thing. And this thing really has a glass sunroof. It sits up pretty high. Oh, wow, that's a nice vehicle. You know, next to it, you have the Optic. And this thing here is electric. And this thing is really nice. I don't care for the color, but it's a pretty nice vehicle. Really nice vehicle. It's the 500 Series E. It's smaller. It's actually smaller than the Lyric. So it's more of a compact version. But I'm sure with Cadillac you get plenty of luxury the way this thing is looking. Yeah, this thing is really nice. Really nice. Okay, well, back over here, there's Optic looking at these seats, excuse me. And there's a third row back there. Wow. Yeah, hey. Luxury. Bring you some comfortable seats, man. I believe these little air-conditioned seats. You know, heated and cooled seats. You know. But look at how these things are curved. See how that one is curved from the head to the lumbar, the shoulders? This is nice. It sits taller than a Lyric. How about that? I got to find out pricing on these, so I'm going to have to visit a Cadillac dealership pretty soon and try to do a road test. You got it. I'll see if I can get in here. This guy's getting out. All right. Now I just got to figure out how to move the seats. Oh, right here on the door. And there we go. That's it? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Oh, let's give it a shot. That can't be it. Because this thing, for a mid-sized vehicle, this thing's tight. Unless you got to close the door and try it. No, that's it. Yeah, you have to adjust this lumbar, the seat. But that's it, guys. This Optic is not as big as I thought it was on the inside. But it sits up higher than that Lyric. Well, I guess, because if you look down there, my knees are like right there. Yeah, this thing is not as big as I thought it was on the inside. So now, when it boils down to it, that's why you need to get out and check into these things, especially at the auto show. Then you come, you look, then you go to a dealer, you check it where you can sit in it. Because you want to get a good feel for a vehicle, man. You got to have some leg room when you're a tall guy. I'm 6'2", almost 6'3", and this thing doesn't have enough leg room for me. I'm kind of disappointed. Huh. For electric, you should be able to get all the leg room you need. We sat in some of those motorized cars and you had plenty of leg room. How about that? And this is the midsize. So I can only imagine. Oh, well, here's the Lyric right here. Pricing on the Lyric, luxury, electrified, $58,000. That's not bad. Let's go look at this other sign. For electric vehicle, how expensive they could be. I'm pretty sure that's the sport level. So you're looking at the Vistic. It's not showing the price yet, so I'll find out about it. But that and this Optic, man, these people are all over these Cadillacs. So it's letting you know these Cadillac electric, they're taking people's notice. Who wouldn't want the best in an electric car? Excuse me, with all of this type of luxury. This is nice for electric vehicles, And yes, eventually the electric vehicles are going to be replacing other cars. So you're just going to have to get used to it. This may not be electric. I think this is gas. Yeah, this is gas. Gas Escalade, But it's got the TVs in the back. Let me see if I can't find a sticker on this thing. Only thing I can find right now is this Escalade sign. But I don't see any prices. We'll find out once we get to a Cadillac dealership. But this IQ is really nice. Yeah, you see people are getting up, lining up for that thing. Oh, well. Hey, I'll get back with you guys later on these Cadillacs.